High tide mine now. I chose the wrong day to wheel, Woody.
I can't drink a whole cup of that.
Hoodies, kijk me.
Wow, wat kan jij doen? Je staat je toch wel aan.
Wat de jammer, man. De jammer is dit voor.
Nice.
Intrusive thoughts. Tristan, take Tristan. Take Tristan. Take Tristan.
Titanic! Oh, it's the Titanic!
Ah, check.
I'll be the female!
Check it, Rose.
It's a boat! I'll be the female!
Oh, now I'm gonna die, yeah.
What I'm saying is, you push me! I will, no cap!
But I go line the Robin, do the dead people.
Oh, wait. That's how to go there. You did.
The Robin, do the dead
You the dead people, bro.
Am I just floating up?
Oh, there's a lot of trees. I see Tina Turner died.
Who?
Tina Turner. Who the fuck is Tina Turner? Who is Tina Turner? No, Tina Turner. It sounds familiar though.
Well, she's old.
Oh. And then there was an old time who died. She got shocked by an Australian officer because she had a knife.
Oh, I heard about that.
She was dead in 95, man.
What a taser.
With a fucking taser. Shoo!
Died in a coma.
Nah, that didn't look like this now in the week.
Play off. Whoa.
Imagine having a stone right about now.
If I fall in that water, I'm not coming to play.
Oh, wait.
I'm instantly
Going
home.
When I go home?
Ja, maar je toch
Oh,
een
am I
lotie.
tripping? Last time I knew, yeah. Was that stove op pipe not broken?
It wasn't broken, it just didn't see the bottom sticky.
How waiting now? What did you do?
Intrusive thoughts. Ah, right up!
De man is aan brillen.
Maar dat is een umbrella. You like a varkie. Nah, cause Jerry's is walking out if he wants to. This motherfucker worried about his shoes.
Ja, wat nou shoes.
Was-
My feet is wet. On hours, I'm away to college already. I don't see about... You what? You can't blame me for making you wait to do I didn't...
That sounded bad. That didn't sound right, Jody. Jody, you're right there, buddy.
But you made my neck wet.
Whoa. Damn, son. His neck.
My neck.
Headshot.
Hey, what? I just realized now, I don't think I've ever thrown a stone here into the river.
Oh, that was too far.
Getting split now.
That didn't split.
Look like it's split. Coronavirus. Let us see. Can Sharon make a shot? No, the professional shot player.
Intrusive thoughts.
Professional shot player? Yeah. What was that?
There you are, nar.
I have left for a run now, bro.
Push your boy.
Every time you look and walk, I'll get my ring jacket on. Ja, dat is klein, dat is... Yo!
Die facts, bruh. That didn't feel right. Are you just?
Nah, what path did we take?
We took this path.
Nah, but it's still the same path, the one next to us.
Uh-uh.
So we're gonna walk to the water, man.
Man, you're such ass. Nah, you should just I'm ook on the side of bro.
Oh, bro, almost in there.
In the shit. Mensen was trapped in shit. Hou me taking a piss. Hou me taking a piss. Are you not late?
5 people win nothing.
With all those dumb
Thursday
niggas that's
after
coming
class.
for a run in the fucking forest.
Tyler, man, don't do it. Oh, they're gonna think you're gonna die, bruh.
Meneer, there's white people and they come out with a gun, bro.
Tyler, bruh.
Always the rubber's nice and deep enough.
Bro, you know there's cameras here, man. I can sneak on that still campus.
Actually, yeah, bro. Tyler, they
Oh, campus can punish that for leaving. Please leave sometimes. It's the first time they hear it. Exactly. Oh, if you go left on, you're gonna come across the park.
Where's my video?
Carry on.
Who's not? This is not the plan now. Are you mad?
My face is dry. My face is wet, my jacket is dry. Oh, let us switch, bro. How the fuck are you dry? Jacket dry? I'm soft now.
Oh, yo, you mental. Oh, we pull that umbrella, man.
Tarantula. I'm like Spider-Man still here. Oh, you win that one. Nah, this is Tyler's territory, this. With the dog.
Who's is the dog?
All I'm saying
Who's this? I feel so it's just don't know if you fall here, you in your mood.
all I'm saying is that dog come out. I jumped into the water.
Nah, that was.
That's why my eyes is burning with raining acid.
Who's
Didn't you learn about acid rain?
That's red right now.
No, it's not. Yes. That's orange acid rain. This is clean water. The fuck is wrong with you? Open your mouth and taste. Yeah, I taste that clean water now. Yeah. Drink maar. Dat zijn like our prime taste like other kant. Prime taste. Prime taste nice. Oh, just too sweet.
I don't be a pussy, man.
Oh, there's another path right here.
Don't be a pussy, old boy.
Hey bro, we can all have in your umbrella like a boat.
Oh, we fix? Hier van ammo. You so much cock stupid. Ook on the fucking grass. Look, where this nice go? On the fucking log. Now you look stupid. Where's this nice?
Look at this knife falling in his puss.
Ook you vark!
Hey, you want me to die? I slip and die here.
Ook hoor! Spider-Man!
Oh wait. I feel like I'm gonna do that now. It slips and dies. I feel like that.
Nice, it's okay.
Look at Jody, man! Jody! Oh yeah, slide over. You slide, you got die slide Owens. On his hole. On his hole.
I feel like I'm too silly when I'll be sliding. Once I felt that jump in my head. I don't know why I keep following you.
Don't follow Tristan. Don't. Now we didn't take this path, Owens. Daar komt daar aan. Wie is het? Where you? Who's name it? I want to blend in lekker. What's here? Wait, behind this post. I love this place. Look at this side. Oh, he closed the umbrella.
Ja, dat is fuck.
Oh, damn, it's a deal. Oh my god, it's a white man.
The chick. Albino vark.
Albino. Oh wait, Tristan, we can't go down there and touch that water. Zeus. We can't go down.
Did that thing split?
Oh, dit is split, ja.
Bro.
Come with you, get that water.
All I need to.
تعال bitte. Vertrouw het nuis, man. Give you.
I'm not dirty.
That's fine, man.
Where are you? Ah, fuck! My hands! That's why I went down to wash it.
No, bro, that's why you have a pants.
That's definitely dirty fast.
Tyler, come take over here. I'm not the fucking cameraman.
Ja, nou, wacht, met drama. How'd you win? Cross that over. You might
I feel like I'm on a 4. I just feel like it.
Yeah? Dude! Show me who you are. Charlie, are you there? Yanni, Mary. Bloody Mary.
Cherry keep je gewoon?
Show me your
Maar die
sign.
stop net.
Dat is fijn.
Maar gewoon is het nu.
Oh?
Professional Boy Scouts.
Professional Boy Scouts.
Oh, wait, we never went. That's why, man.
Make it landscape there. I think Jaden and I want to go down.
Make it portrait, Jared.
Water het, oké.
Nee, dat is verteilen.
Are they following us? Okay. Just checking.
POV, the first Explorer views. Hoi, ek kan so en so aan broede.
Dat is een quite tree dus. Lekker split for his path. Hello? Anyone home? Oh, just for another angle.
Oh, dat is
You said that, why are we following Jaden? To other powers are we following?
Oh, wait, this one's taking us somewhere. We're gonna die, yo.
Jaden.
Why are you out following me?
Somewhere over the rainbow.
I found heaven.
There is a beach on.
You see, follow Jaran, follow Jaran.
Okay, dijk ja. Dijk kap je kop in je
Secret spot.
Kom je rein mee. En je fucking dat doen we doen. Dat gaat over. Dat over. Ziek en niks meer.
Bro, we're gonna be sick the next morning regardless.
Kom je rein mee.
That's in the beach, that's got over.
Facts.
Ziek en niks morning.
Hey bro, we're gonna be sick the next morning regardless. Ahoy. Tristan, put your foot in. Put your foot in.
Waar ben je? You know some cast away. It's that some game where you on a boat and your boat crashed and you're on a fucking island and you survive.
Are you not talking about the forest?
Daar is het forest island.
Just go Google some cast away.
Whoa.
The new one is the best.
A Christmas tree.
The new one is Yelp.
The first one was better. The first one is
Of what now?
The forest.
forest.
Okay, it is, yes, but
No, your fucking storyline is cut. You can't even do that shit, bro.
nah, but the one thing I like about it now is the what you call it, the realistic aspects of building, man.
Exactly.
Holding a fucking tree house.
Jay, it's actually mad. Jay, that show you how to survive.
They're only scared for a week after that. Normal.
But we are supposed to fucking be scary.
It's supposed to have fucking Taka Zulu crown.
Jaren sound like a fucking scout to me.
That's
Not supposed to be fucking scary.
Busy fucking Minecrafting away.
Yo, why did it get so bright now?
There's a light that's flashing before you die.
4 boys. Ach, sorry, 5. Forgot Jared here. 5 boys against the world.
Yeah, boy.
A gorilla come now, who's gonna survive?
Ah, that's this, yeah.
What?
Going there.
It's actually not raining that bad.
It's me,
What the hell?
Oh, let me sing my Frozen songs, bro.
Let it go.
Let it go. Can't hold my cum in anymore. Let it go.
Oh hell, where are we now?
Yo, massa. That's what I was tripping on.
Yeah, let me and Tyler go first. Cameraman.
Ah, you puss. Oh, bro, that's my umbrella. Yeah.
Oh wait, Tyler, nah, you must be crazy, bruh. Nah, it's part of that. It's part of the adventure.
Oh, wait, Tyler, nah, you must be crazy, bro.
Why is a path, bro? What is that? Say your umbrella's touching my hole. Nah, oh wait, light them.
Kom maar, daar is een path. There's no path, I was too big.
To the right.
Go, we go.
We go.
Yes, like. We don't know what's turning around. Oh, I have police car. Coming front. Police car. Coming front.
Nee, maar stop.
This is where we all get raped.
Dat is weer we get raped.
Go straight.
Yes, fuck up, path straight.
We all go over the bridge, this one go under.
Go here through. Go. You can. Go.
Oi.
Go here
Sharon,
through.
have you never climbed a tree before?
Put your umbrella away.
The fuck, I can't close this bitch.
You can.
Show me.
I lock this man.
Now you look stupid. Now you look stupid.
Why you go under me, bro? must lock it there at the bottom.
Kak,
No,
stupid.
I want to keep you quiet with
There
them.
we
I
go.
don't know how to function. Hey!
Stop skrikkie. Right, Jody.
Oeh, jij breekt de umbrella.
Nee, je weet broken.
You let him now pass up and I'm
Where is this man going? Oh, wait, we're leaving behind. We're leaving behind.
Just go right.
My bro, I thought it was a fucking job.
It look like a path. Now, what happened? A dent in his kop.
Yo. Een reboost en een score.
Get it going. Yay. Yay.
Spider-Man stand.
Yay.
Hey! Hey!
Go, let's go. Slang! Sorry.
Didn't lightning entirely go left. So how the fuck are what was sounds coming from the right?
Tokolosi.
Huh?
Tokolosi.
I can't see a bug. Fucking shit.
Get out, you small for real. Oh, where did it? Nah, there. A wild raccoon.
I see a wild animal ahead of us. It's wearing a skin color is grey. Oh no, that's its fur.
A chupacabra.
A wild majestic chupacabra in front of us.
If I see one bear here, I'm running.
Why?
Someone's gonna rob us.
What the fuck do you have on you to rob?
Our phones.
I prove we fine.
And they have superpowers. Are we going back inland?
Now we still go here. Are we only going now?
No, that's not for.
Hey bro, we made it back to campus in 7 minutes, so we can manage.
Because we ran most of the way.
But you know what, that is funny.
What?
Yeah,
This one.
Yeah, that spot is a lady, like a lady food.
Oi. Now, Bob?
No, you dumb nee. You're not.
I already told him the fucking recording stop.
I'm not recording.
Don't lie. Well, I'm carrying on.
Ja, it's when the guy has pencil big. Okay, now
Let it float.
money.
Those rascals.
Let it float. Come on. See if it floats.
Here we go. Is a pencil in there?
Take it. Take. My bro, take pencils, pens, erasers, whatever is there. Take it. Ah, yeah. As. Itala.
One day we can.
Let us see guys. First one.
Wait. The only case that he is.
Hey!
Hey!
He's coming!
Oi!
Carry on.
Yes, boy! Don't sink. Don't fall.
The thing is doing a better job here than Kenny.
Facts.
Oh, someone said they didn't even the rest stuff. Let us see guys. First one.
Wait.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Hey, carry on.
Yes,
Don't sing.
Emote.
The thing is doing a better job here than Kenny.
Any emote.
Oh, someone said they didn't.
Hey. Tin. Where'd the pencil guys go?
Yeah, man.
Oh, I didn't even.
They got so pencil guys coming down the river.
Ja, gaan.
Where'd the pencil guys go?
I think it's gone.
That thing's gone.
I didn't even see.
Yeah, people time to watch this.
Easy. Easy bubbles.
Anyone know any road trip songs?
Let's go round and round, round and round, round and round. I said no. Get a boy. Get a boy. I left my home. The Joe. How do you nice? Now we go further, take. I left my home. I left my home. Join the army.
That's why when he saw the me, I turned away, bro. Keep it. It stays, yeah. Oh, okay.
It's nothing.
Don't pass him.
Ahoy, ahoy! Oh.
Enjoy the view. Oh, ice skating. Ay, 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 ay. Open the gates.
It's actually stairs.
It
stays here.
It's a mall night. We baptize him.
One man take a bus. One man take a bus.
No, you're not! You're fool!
Hurry up.
No, you're not! You're fool!
Keep. Keep.
Wacht.
Fucking hands.
That's actually quiet. He's sitting there. We all go sit there by him.
I'm confused. Guys, have a fun.
Ay, isa pa rin ako.
I gotta get back.
Say where you got him.
playing?
That's when you get this now.
He has nothing to support him, so you must fucking.
Lakaka. The last time we see Jared. Oh, you can't swim, bruh. United fans can't swim.
How are you?
They must slip it in. Last time we just see a red cap here down. That's smart. Yo,
But it's very clean though, see?
you're making it water. Look at this, bro.
I'm gonna go the wet.
Oh, Ethan. Ethan. Tristan.
Ja.
Waarom voor dat?
Huh?
Kan nog een scherm voor dat? Ja, het is kak, man.
You touch it, Finch, you shock.
Is hem.
Touch that thing. Touch it thing, just touch it thing. Just touch the top.
Vince is a superhero. Vince man.
Wait, daar moet dan ook
Not electric I would pinch your home. Sorry the top.
Touch the top.
No shit, Sherlock. Hey, just, it's hot them. It's
Like,
hot them,
like Mr. Moss said, only how much volts can kill you?
That's more than 20 million.
Oh, only like 40 volts can kill you.
20 amps.
20 milliamps. 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 Ah! But
capacitor.
we've got a capacitor.
Mama say.
Auntie might be looking here through the window, man. Wat is mensen? Uiteindelijk in de dalen.
Wel talen. Is dat Antje?
Oh, put it in the corner, man. Look here.
Nee, niet hier.
Hey, wat maak je?
Heb je je hand omlaag?
Goed fight.
Er is maar veel hoger niet zelfs. Er was je veel hoger, ja.
Jij dan juist hier onder weg.
Ai, macho! Stop! Ele é um praio!
Je almost direct study vraag.
Get my touch me off.
Ja, hij is almost gone with Tyler, bro.
Ja, bro!
When you heard that shit,
Mushrooms Owen.
Hij is man. Hoi, let me get it.
I'm gonna take this shit.
Are we eating? I think it's time to go home now. What did you?
101. Paraking must come back and teach you about Autotech 101.
You and your hands is wet, but it's even worse.
Het man zeker code de software te stop je daar. Zie het man neem GB. Autotech equals to
Checkbox. Yeah.
checkbox stop Autotech.
If false,
Are you
then
Are you sure you want to exit this program?
Me dot close Autotech. Nah, het man beeper system. That's what I'm worried about.
What's the time now? Yeah, it's only this time. Yeah. It felt like we were walking for hours. Hey. Hey! Nah, my sock is wet now. Nah, my socks were dry. He's been energized.
Here goes the air geyser, buddy. Right.
If through, go left. If off, turn right.
Did we go? Was it there we went down? Yeah.
Yay!
Nah, I can't walk behind Latham. Nah, I mean walk in front of me. Why are we running? Where's Sharon? Oh shit! Ah, my ankle!
One wrong step. On.
Oh hell no! Woohoo. Where's Tyler? Taban ran away! Tyler's an orphan, he don't know where's home! Oh shit! We left him? Oh hell no! Nah, that one chose the fucking worst path.
Man is gone, bro.
Who? Tyler.
Which Jared?
He's dead.
Fucking horror movie.
Nah, we left him. We black people. We don't go back. Nah, sorry. Starting to run hectic now. Yo! I think I heard him. Yo! Oh shit! This is not what I had in mind. Where's the end?
Far from here.
I don't even see a United anywhere.
I think you will hide it before you see it.
Isn't there shelter nearby?
Ja, you had to see how this one was found. You were literally so sideways already.
That man almost pulled me down.
Recovery, boys. Oh, recovery. If you go that one came away, add that. I want to hit you now. You need to get back to you. The fucking condition is only down my face to you. Ah, oui.
You made it to the gate. I'm afraid Jaron didn't make it. Tyler went missing.
In action.
How
We-
did you lose like that, man? You guys are running like I help you.
We're the only three alive.
That man was gone, bro. I'm not lying. That man disappeared right in front of me.
He probably hiding in the bush now.
How much you wanna bet? But where is no lecture us on why we mustn't fucking walking around?
Oh, is
I can't believe that. Please fucking 50 something.
Ooh!
Bro, where? Is it just 50 something?
And she don't, she look like more or less 30 something or what.
And I thought that gray was like high.
are we?
It was real fucking new.
He's gone, bro. Wait.
I wonder if I got Tyler. You know, what you got after I
He was. I think he went back to Jaron, man.
Fucking almost died, didn't
I wonder what those men are gonna say now. I told you so. That Jaden.
My arm, bro.
I'm not even cold.
I'm not cold.
I'm just wet.
I'm just wait on top.
You know, my lips are tight.
We still need to come tomorrow. I don't think so.
I think so.
Okay.
If it's not raining.
Yeah. Here's the clay place. Yo. Slip your dead there. Well, that was nice.
What is actually?
5 went in, 3 came out.
Fucking beter aan het shit. Speedrun. Ten, 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 ten.
Is my not like us, no? Into faster and fast, like into the other. What do you think?
Ja, hij rijdt. Hij is wel black man, hij rijdt.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Staat voor.
Tyler and Jerry are the first time.
Hij doet hem met zich.
Where's the inn? No man, I don't think it is.
What?
Finally the inn.
What's the fuck?
My bloody editors, bro. By more thrones.
De sokjes is nat, nee.
No? Kijk maar clean shoes, look how the bloody look.
Is de sokjes nat?
Not actually.
Why is like druppels moist? I can feel my toes.
But my socks went in. My socks went under my feet. That's why I'm running now. So you still no sign? Do I see someone? I just take this stop and then draaien. Ja, daar.
Oh, I'm following.
Okay. Car reported missing person. And Auntie had to make me wait now. I was gonna throw something. I'm glad wait, but still. They have coffee. I went for coffee and tea. They were the neighbors. I have it on camera.
I
bro.
wanna see it. I wanna see the car.
Imagine they sitting here with a car already. Tyler, he probably, yeah.
Man, hij fucking 1000 volts in.
Right, Monday. Like, everything had for night Tyler shopping in his puss.
No, you don't say everything you thought that was wrong. You did shop, you do not do it.
Oh, yeah.